If you find yourself doing these same mistakes in 2026, you will find yourself behind in life. So guys, in this video we will talk about the 6 mistakes that you do in your everyday life because of which you are behind in life. So guys, the first thing is that controlling your discipline. I don't mean that you need to wake up early in the morning or you need to be hard on yourself, but controlling your discipline means changing your habits even in the smallest way possible. It can be hitting gym, it can be reading even the one page every day, it can be anything that gives your life a discipline. So guys, that was the first point. So guys, the second point is that most people wait to feel motivated, wait to feel good in order to do some things, but they always find themselves behind, and even the smallest tasks feel hard for them. Their dopamine bandwidth in their mind is so low that they get that dopamine from those things which has no meaning in the longer term. Most people can't control that urge to get that dopamine from the things like scrolling social media or seeking attention, but instead they should get that dopamine from the things which can have higher meaning into their life and which can create impact over time. So guys, the third thing is that you can learn as many skill as you can. So guys, most people are behind in life, most people are ordinary, but they never ask themselves that why they are behind in life. There are some skills that you can learn as easily as possible. You have social media, you have YouTube, you have many sources that you can learn these skills from, but most people are just busy in doing the things which has no meaning. So guys, we can learn content creation, communication skills, we can learn marketing, and these are the things which can pay us over time. So guys, the fourth thing is that we can control our environment. We can surround ourselves with those people who add some value in our life, who uplifts you whenever we are low in our life. We can get away from those people who drains us or those things which makes us feel low in our own eyes. So guys, controlling our environment is one of the most underrated thing in building something in our life. You need to take responsibility for yourself. Most people who are behind in life, they usually blame others, they usually blame their circumstances, but never themselves. But the real reason because of which they are behind in life is that they are themselves. Their life decides where they are right now in their life. So guys, the sixth thing is that you need to start manifesting the life you want in your future. You need to start manifesting where you want to be in the next 10 to 20 years. That will decide where will you go in the upcoming years and how will your life look like. So guys, that was for the today's video. Thank you.